Oh, mad dash. Oh, it's just spooky.
He's like, no, no pets. Come here. Step up. Oh, such a good boy. Oh.
It's a spooky.
He's spooky? Yeah?
Yeah.
Can we do hat?
Hat. You gonna throw it? No, you're just gonna chew it and cuss at it?
Ow! Not nice.
He hates that thing, and it needs to die.
Oh no.
Oh, it's just spooky.
Come back.
Gosh.
Come back here. Oh. Whoa.
Man, the balls really just turn you into a completely different bird, huh? Whoa.
Why you go for my fingers? That's not nice. Go for the ball. You broke.
Pickle, what happened? Hat. Hat to turn on bird. Oh. Okay. All right, baby. Bye-bye.